GOAT is more than just an acronym. It stands for Goes Over Any Type of Terrain. And it's what your Ford Bronco is all about, thanks to a robust four-wheel drive system. Your Bronco uses either electronic shift-on-the-fly 4x4 with part-time engagement, which offers 3 modes of operation, or all-wheel drive advanced 4x4 with automatic on-demand engagement, which uses the same 3 modes and adds 4 automatic. 2-wheel drive high is your default setting. Then, there's 4-wheel drive high when you want to drive off-road at higher speeds, and 4-wheel drive low for increased torque multiplication. Then, if equipped, 4-wheel drive auto, which provides power to the front and rear wheels as needed for better traction. Bronco also comes with preset GOAT modes that let you customize your vehicle's systems for a variety of different situations, like blasting through sand or taking your Bronco out in the snow. Your Bronco can have up to 7 of the 8 available modes, and this knob lets you easily adjust them on the fly. Normal mode is for everyday driving and provides a balance of excitement, comfort, and convenience. Next up, Eco Mode is designed for maximum efficiency. It helps you increase driving range and reduce fuel consumption. For a sporty steering feel, choose Sport Mode. You'll experience increased accelerator pedal response as the powertrain system holds on to the lower gears longer, helping your vehicle accelerate faster. Slippery Mode can be used for crossing terrain where a firm surface is covered with loose, wet, or slippery material, like ice or snow. Slippery Mode softens throttle response and optimizes shifting. Mud Ruts Mode is only for off-road driving. This mode gives you the optimum experience when traversing muddy, rutted, or uneven terrains. Sand Mode is also for off-road use only. Use this for fun driving in soft, dry sand and in deep snow. Baja Mode is for high-speed off-road driving and optimizes throttle control for better response and torque delivery. Rock Crawl Mode is for off-road driving and optimum rock climbing ability. It optimizes throttle response to give you more control of the vehicle. This chart shows you which GOAT modes each model is equipped with. Your Bronco may also be equipped with electronic locking differentials, which are designed for off-road driving on mud, rocks, or sand. It forces both wheels on the same axle, whether front or rear, to turn at the same speed for improved traction, which is especially helpful when navigating difficult terrain where all wheels don't have the same traction. Activate the rear differential with this switch here. It will also automatically engage when specific GOAT modes are selected. For vehicles equipped with a front locking differential, when in 4 low, press this button to engage it. Refer to this helpful chart to know when and how your front and rear ELD can be used. In addition, your Bronco may have stabilizer bar disconnect. Turn it on by pressing this button. This feature disconnects the front stabilizer bar, allowing for increased front wheel articulation and improved capability and comfort on aggressive terrain. Turn it off by pressing this button. It too will turn on automatically when you choose certain GOAT modes. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.